Hey Graham, have you noticed how David hasn't been doing anything for our project lately?
He keeps saying that he's busy with other courses. I don't believe him though.
If only there was some way to keep him and ourselves accountable.
I've heard there's this new extension called Unslack that could help us.
We can use Unslack to create a room for our group, so we can keep track of our own and each other's productivity.
By clicking on the icon in the toolbar, they can access a high-level view of their top 15 websites that they visit, based on time. They can also open a full dashboard that shows a quick overview of the rooms they are in. There are also options to view details from all your website browsing activity. You can also view information from the rooms that you're currently in, including a ranked list of everyone's productivity.
So let's create a room called Slackers Unite and add Major Slacker to the room.
When the sync button is clicked, that is when the view is updated.
As you can see, the new room that the user requested has been created, with the username already being added to the room.
So we'll add Kevin to our room in a second, but for now let's add YouTube to our list of blacklisted sites.
Here, when we type youtube.com and then click Change Room Settings, this will not pass because it is not in our specified format.
Okay, so now that we have set up our room, let's see what Kevin is up to. So to join the room we just created, he needs to enter the room ID and enter his desired username. So he appears in the room, and if he goes on YouTube, he should see a decrease in his score.
To make rooms possible, we use a Java server which is responsible for accepting messages from the client. The server will also be used to calculate everyone's score based on their browsing history and each room's specific settings.
In summary, Unslack currently can track browser activity, visualize data, and display room information. The server currently accepts and parses messages and can store browsing and room data. Users can now create, join, and change settings for rooms and see each other's room scores.
So you're saying that Unslack aims to help users track their online activity and motivate them to improve their productivity through social accountability?
I've heard in the next few days, developers will be making a presentation of their fully implemented Chrome extension. They'll be demoing the room joining, browser tracking, and leaderboard features.
Wow, I think it's time for us to Unslack!